Majidia Girls High School and Junior College recently culminated its week-long social gathering 2023-24 with a spectacular annual prize distribution ceremony. With esteemed personalities gracing the occasion, the event held at the school premises showcased a diverse array of competitions including educational, cultural and sports activities, creating an atmosphere of enthusiasm and camaraderie. Was presided over by the distinguished ex-cabinet minister Mr. Anis Ahmed. The chief guest for the ceremony added glamour and expertise to the event. Renowned fashion designer Mr. Hemant Sonare, along with accomplished gynecologist Dr. Manisha Sahu and chartered accountant Mr. Ali Asghar Abbas Ali, were present to felicitate and encourage the talented students. Commencing at 11:30 in the morning, the ceremony unfolded with the soulful Tilawate Kalame Rabbani, followed by a soothing naat, setting a harmonious tone for the day. The little angels of the school extended a warm welcome to the distinguished guest with beautiful bouquets, while the junior college students enchanted the audience with a marvelous welcome song. The proceedings continued as Mrs. Nighat Rana, the headmistress, presented a comprehensive school report highlighting the academic achievements and progress of the institution. The event took an insightful turn as Mr. Hemant Sonare, the renowned fashion designer, delivered a fruitful speech on the fashion designing industry, shedding light on career opportunities in this dynamic field. Dr. Manisha Sahu, a respected gynecologist, addressed the gathering discussing the crucial health issues such as anemia and PCOS, providing valuable insights into remedies and preventive measures. The audience was then treated to an engaging and interactive session by Mr. Anis Ahmed Sahab, the ex-cabinet minister, who explored new career opportunities with both students and the school management. Chartered accountant Mr. Ali Asghar Abbas Ali delivered an insightful speech on the theme of coming out of the comfort zone. Mr. Ali's words served as a source of inspiration, motivating individuals to break barriers and embark on a journey of continuous learning and self-discovery. The event reached its pinnacle when Janab Babu Hifzur Rahman Sahab, President of the School Management Committee, delivered an inspiring speech setting the stage for the much anticipated prize distribution. Adding to the program's emotional resonance, recently retired teacher Mrs. Chaya Bante delivered an inspirational speech that left a lasting impact on the audience. Her words of wisdom and reflections on her teaching journey provided a touching moment for the students, offering valuable insights and encouragement. In a heartwarming gesture, Mrs. Bante also shared her musical talent by singing a children's song for the students. The school management committee played a pivotal role in organizing the successful ceremony. Mr. Hifzur Rahman Sahab, President of the committee, along with Vice President Mr. Farooq Ansari, Secretary Mr. Khalik Anzar, Joint Secretary Mr. Mujtaba Hussain, and a school committee member Mr. Shahid Sahab actively participated in the event. Various other committee members were also present, contributing to the distribution of prize to deserving students. The Honorable Headmistress Mrs. Nighat Rana and Supervisor Mrs. Rafia Sultana graced the ceremony with their presence. Overseeing the proceedings, Mrs. Tahmina Niazi skillfully conducted the program, ensuring a smooth and engaging flow of events. Mrs. Aisha Miraj expressed gratitude on behalf of the school as she proposed the vote of thanks, acknowledging the efforts of everyone involved in making the event a success. The grand annual prize distribution concluded with a celebratory lunch, bringing together the management, teaching and non-teaching staff and students in a joyous gathering. The inclusive event provided a moment of shared camaraderie and festivity for everyone involved. In conclusion, the annual prize distribution ceremony at Majidia Girls High School and Junior College not only celebrated academic excellence but also provided a platform for students to engage with industry experts and gain valuable insights into various fields. The week-long social gathering 2023-24 proved to be a holistic celebration of talent, knowledge, and camaraderie, leaving a lasting impact on the school community. Thank you.